Hello everybody and welcome to 61A, the largest course that the Berkeley Computer Science Department has ever offered. We've done a crazy thing this year in that we allowed many more people to enroll in the course than could possibly fit in the lecture hall. And this is even though we've already booked the largest lecture hall on campus. Now, what we're going to do with this situation is just let you do what you naturally do. I know that lots of you prefer to watch these videos of lectures at home rather than actually come to live lecture because that involves getting up before noon, and I don't want to do that to you. So before I actually give the live lecture, I'm going to sit in my home and record a video version of it and post that online. So it'll always be there anytime you want to watch it, even before the lecture is published. And I'm basically encouraging you not to come to class. Instead, feel free to watch these videos instead. The one thing you don't want to do is watch the videos and then come to lecture, because I'll say exactly the same thing, tell exactly the same jokes, and you'll be kind of bored. So I don't want you to fall asleep in class. You're welcome to come to lecture if you want. I will be there. But if you prefer to just watch video versions, feel free to do that. So they'll be posted on the course website. The course website looks like this. There's a calendar section which contains all of the dates for lectures in the semester. You can find the slides there, the lecture topics. I'll post the videos. There's also readings, lab and discussion handouts. Homeworks will be posted here, and your software projects. So this is the one go-to place for all materials in the course. And I put important announcements way up at the top. Welcome to CS61A. Okay, so there's only one of me, there's 1,000 of you, but you actually will get a lot of individual attention in this course from the course staff as a whole. So that's me, I'm John. Now, in my day job, I actually work for Google as a research scientist, but I have a much longer standing history with the University of California, Berkeley. So I've been at Google for 3 years. I've been at Cal all the way through graduate school, and then I've continued to teach there for 8 years, so you can see where my loyalties lie. And that's me. I'm your primary instructor. But there's also a wonderful group of TAs from whom you will actually learn the most in this class. So the TAs are in charge of holding discussion sections, lab sections, and office hours. Office hours are there to answer any of your questions, discuss anything you want in life, but also help you with your homework and your projects. And that's the team. These are people who excelled in 61A. They're really passionate about teaching. Some of them have been participating as TAs in this course for several semesters. One even taught the course as the primary lecturer. So these are just fantastic people. You're going to learn a ton from them. Make sure you spend a lot of time getting to know your TAs, and start by going to section and lab all the time. I told you don't have to show up to lecture. That's fine, but make sure you show up to discussion and lab. But that's not all. So the TAs are your primary point of contact, but you also have readers. Readers are the ones who are actually going to look at the projects that you submit. And they'll be your personal programming mentors. So it's a good idea to find your reader before you hand in your project and get their feedback if you ever want tips on how to program more effectively. So there's a bunch of readers. I can't fit them all on the screen, but you can find them on the course website. And then there are volunteer lab assistants who will show up to your labs and make sure that you don't get stuck.